When fire strikes, the aftermath isn't just what you see, it's what's left behind. Martech Group conducts comprehensive fire damage investigations, identifying and delineating the extent of soot, ash, and char in accordance with industry best practices and standards. Our process includes the collection of wipe samples and laboratory testing for combustion byproducts, such as drops of condensed soot, char, ash, metal oxides, inorganic solids, and other particulate matter. This ensures precise assessment of contamination levels. We adhere to regulatory standards including the ASTM D6602 and the IICRC 700 guideline for the evaluation of fire residues, abatement, and restoration. We also ensure compliance with local guidelines for property restoration, including obtaining necessary building permits. This protects policyholders and guarantees cleanup meets health and safety requirements. By following proven methodologies, we help you restore your property to safe, habitable conditions, free from lingering fire damage. Trust Martech Group for reliable fire damage investigations. Contact us today at 1-855-291-4663 or visit our website at www.martechgroup.ca.